Here is the Subaru Outback. To access the bulb, let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now it's the same process for the left side and the right side. You will need to get this cover off. For that you need to get a flathead screwdriver, put it right in that slot and pull this cover out. Keep it aside, that's the bulb holder. Grab it and twist it left and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight and it will come right out. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and then push it down back in the bulb holder. And now this is the tricky part and you have to be patient. So when you put it back in, it may not just go in right away and you'll have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in properly. When it drops in, there should be no sunlight coming out from there. See, right now it's coming out and now it's in place. At this point, you should be able to just twist it right to lock it and you are done. Now let's put this cover back on, get it back in place the way I show and then press it down to secure it and you're done. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.